Hi everyone, I'm Rachit Khator and I'm the founder of Stackby. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can create your product catalog irrespective of the business that you have and automate your inquiries and orders in Stackby. So now let's get started. So we've basically added a template from our Stackby template gallery called product catalog. All you need to do is go to the template gallery and add this template into your workspace to get started. So the first thing is you see there are three tables in this template: products, inquiries, and orders. So now let's talk about how you can create your own custom product catalog. So the first thing that you want to add within the table is basically the name of the product, any images that you have on the product, any particular product info, the details of that product, what is the price. Now what you want to do is you want to basically now you've created like a basic product catalog, right? Like with the name, image, details, and the price. Now you want people to start inquiring about this product. So how do they do it? So what we are going to do is we are going to go to the inquiries table, and you basically have to create an inquiry form. So the first thing is you basically create a table. What is the name of the customer, email, phone number, any remarks that they have, and which products are they interested in. So you just have to create a form layout. Here I've already created a product inquiry form, and you've seen I've added like through drag and drop the products name, email, phone number, and any remarks. So suppose you want to make this a required field, you just add required field, you just add and any remarks, right? So this is like a basic form that we've created. You can just change the color of those forms, right? And just open this form. So I've already opened this form, so I'll just refresh it again. So this is how the form is created. Now once the form is created, what we want people to do is we want when they are inquiring from the product catalog, suppose you're sharing this product catalog with your customers, or you are embedding this onto your website. So what you can do is you go to the products table, and here you basically have to create a gallery view. So this is like a gallery layout. You customize the cards of the information that you don't want to see within the gallery, right? So you want to basically create something like this, right? So there's a gallery view, info, price. If somebody wants to inquire it, they can inquire it, or if somebody wants to buy it, they can buy it. So you can create two different types of button column types. Now these button column types, if somebody clicks on inquire, should open an inquiry form. So let's just say somebody clicks here. So this is how it should open, right? So there's a product inquiry form. The products is already selected, and somebody just has to add a name, email, phone numbers, and remarks and submit it. So let's just say somebody adds it, say Tim Cook, him at apple.com, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or as soon as somebody submits it, in the inquiries table, you will see, this particular record is already added, and it's linked to that particular product from the products table. Right. So for this to happen, what you need to do is you need to basically create a form URL. You want to create a pre-filled form in Stackby. So pre-filled form, the way it works is, all you need to do is just first of all get that form URL, the inquiry form URL that we've added, and there is a question mark. Then just copy and paste this particular parameters. So the first thing is you need to add like a prefill underscore, automatically take the products table, the product name, which is equal to an encode URL component of this particular name, right? So once you basically add this formula, what this does is it creates a form URL like this. So you will see if I'm clicking on this, it gives me, the products is already linked to Strandemon. Suppose if somebody clicks on this, it is linked to the Chase sofa, right? So here what I've done is basic, copy pasted the same formula and added it into a button column type. So you just, there is a URL formula. So it's like this, the same formula I've added. You can basically create a button label, which is an inquire now button, and just apply it. And if you want to basically also create like a, you also want to get orders, of this particular product, what you can do is you can add the individual Razorpay or Stripe, payment links, so that automatically somebody can order it, and that order can pipe in, within Stackby automatically. So what I've done is I've added the buy URLs, right? And here is the buy now button, where it is just the URL formula is the buy URL, right? So anybody clicks on it, it opens a Stripe link like this. So somebody wants to buy a sofa come bed, they just add their email, card information, and just pay, right? So you can create your own custom Stripe or Razorpay, links, or any other, payment gateway for that matter. So now once you've created this, you need to create this gallery view, right? This gallery view is already created. We have already added the buttons, and just share this, view, or embed this view onto your website or wherever you're collecting, your information, or you can share this to anyone, within your network. So you see there is a view URL already created, and all your products, in the product catalog would come here like this. And somebody wants to inquire it, they can click on inquire and send that form. Somebody wants to buy it, they can easily open the Stripe link. Now, as soon as you get an inquiry, automatically a new record will be created in the inquiries table, and then you can basically add the status, whether we have followed up, or this is completed, or we've just followed up again, this is. So you can change the status of all your inquiries and keep track of all the leads, in this database, on a particular product. Suppose you're at an event, you could easily, use this as well. So now what you want to do is you want to start automating, your orders from Razorpay or Stripe. So in this case, we are going to use Stripe, as an, as a payment gateway. So basically, in the orders table, what we've done is we've created like a basic view where what is the customer name, ID of that customer, what is the order date, what is the status, order ID, customer email, amount they've paid, and the receipt URL, and which product have they particularly bought, so in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Zapier. So Zapier is basically a workflow automation platform. Here you can connect two different apps together. Today we're going to connect Stripe and Stackby. You can also connect Razorpay and Stackby, or any other payment gateway. So since we're using Stripe, we'll basically select the trigger as new payment in Stripe. So basically the event is a new payment event. You just add your account, and basically as soon as you get an event, it automatically comes like this, right? So now what you want to do is you just close this. Now you want to create a new row in Stackby. So just add your Stackby API key that you find in the account settings in Stackby. And the event here is create a new row, which is an action, like a Stackby action. You select your account, add your API key, and then select the workspace you want to add it to. So in this case, the workspace is operations, product catalog, and the table is orders. So now I can map the customer name to the customer name in Stripe, order date to the order date in Stripe, status, order ID, customer email, the amount, and the charge receipt, right? So let me just get a new payment. So let's just test it. So let me select another payment. Right. So I'm going to get this particular payment and create a new row. I'm going to manually test this right now so that we can see how that data pipes into Stackby. So I'll just do a retest action. So you see automatically a new customer is added, right? What is the order date, it's paid, how much they've paid, their receipt URL, and which product it's linked to. So what you can do is you can just link it manually to a particular product. Once you do that, in the products table, what I've done is I've created a product KPIs table where I can see for that particular product how many inquiries have come and how many orders have come. And I've taken a lookup count of the total inquiries and the total orders that have come, which is an aggregation. So which is, again, a lookup count on the orders. And here from the orders table, we know, what is the amount they have particularly ordered for. So in this table, I can see the total revenue of that particular order. So so this is completely automated. You get your inquiries automatically, you get your orders automatically, and you can just see that all the product KPIs that you have. And you can make your sales process fairly easily. Whether you're a small business or you're running an e-commerce brand or you're running a digital shop or you're selling services, you can basically use this product catalog and inquiry management stack and customize it for your particular use case. So this particular template is in our template gallery. So you can go to the Stackby template gallery and add it to your workspace and give it a try. You can add this template and make it your own. Customize it according to what your business looks like. And if you have any questions, we are always here. Just a chat or an email away. So thanks a lot, and give us any feedback that you have, and please don't forget to add a comment in this particular video. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.